Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala, in this video we'll practice reading and writing in the Arabic language. So let's get started with the first letter. This is the letter Noon. This is the letter Noon. We put Fatha, na. And then the letter Ba, the letter Ba, we put Fatha, ba. And then the letter Ta, the letter Ta, we put Fatha, ta. Now let's try to connect those letters together. The letter Noon, in the beginning, we put Fatha, na. And then the letter Ba, we put Fatha, ba. Na ba. And then the letter Ta, we put Fatha, ta. Na ba ta, nabata. Nabata. This is Noon in the beginning, this is Ba'un in the middle, and this is Ta'un in the final. Okay? Nabata. And what this is mean in English? It grow. Okay? Nabata. Very good job. So we come to the end of this video. Hope you like it, and see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. Ma salama.